Alright, I'm slowly approaching. Just tied my little crawdad lure on. As I was walking, shit, that's how eager I be to fish. I want to get started as soon as I get out here. You know, I'm really not supposed to be out here. I ain't gonna fake it. Shit. This a spot I'm not supposed to be at. But shit, it's raining. Damn, it's one motherfucker out here. One person out here. Shit. But yeah, I'm not supposed to be here right now. And shit, it's raining, so I can kind of get away with a little something. But this guy here, let's see. Oh, nice one on her. I gotta. Oh, fuck. I always lose my fucking fish. Trying to record the fucking video, bro. Damn. Fuck. Keep losing them. Ain't that about a bitch? Get back out there. All right, y'all, I'm losing fish back to back. Starting to get pissed off. Oh shit, it's a fish on here. I didn't know that. The fuck? Fuck. I'm not landing none of my fish, bro. This is pissing me off. Well, for one, I ain't been holding my rod tip up like that. That's one of the reasons why I'm steady losing them. Let's swap the bait out for a second. Fish on already. Bro, the second I threw that fucking lizard on there, first cast, already got a fish. Bro, the key to bass is lizards, bro. I don't know why I ain't been throwing them on there, but when I was a kid, I didn't really have many lures, and one day, like, I never could really get lures, and one day, I went to Bass Pro, and I'm like, let me get this pack of lizard lures, since it's the only time I'm gonna ever fucking go there. Goddamn me. I got a pack of lizard lures. Bro, I caught my biggest bass ever on those fucking lizard lures as a little kid, so fuck with the lizard lures, bro. Don't sleep on them. We getting them in. We got a nice little bass here. We out here fishing in the rain, man. Yeah, what it is. We getting them in. I got another little small bass. Shit. It's in the rain. Goddamn me, so I ain't tripping about it being small. Hey, fuck it. We getting them in. Alright, we got another one, y'all. Man, I'm starting to get fucking soaked now. But hey, they starting to bite now. So we doing it. We getting them in. Damn, a big ass bass just hit that shit. Let me try to get his ass back. That wasn't the same one, the small one. Fuck it, he got off. That was a huge ass fucking bass that just hit it at first. Then it got off though. You gonna try to get it another one. I keep losing all the real big ones. First one I lost it trying to fucking record the video. I should have just waited, then fucking goddamn me took a little snap afterwards after I brought them in. Watch this. fuck. Damn, he ain't swallow it. Look. That's how I get him back. Just got another little bass. Shit. Probably just under a pound. Like, he's the biggest one of the day so far. Shit. Little motherfucker. We getting them in. There we go. Another little bass. Small ass one. Fuck it. We getting them in. Just got a nice little bass. Cool little size. You know what? Since we're getting all these fucking bass, I'm about to start keeping some of these motherfuckers. Fuck it. This is the first one I'm keeping since we're catching so many. Alright. We got another one. This one a little smaller. I want to go ahead and throw him back. Shit. I mean, I could keep him because there's so many in this motherfucker, but I'm going to go ahead and throw him back. And we fucking nailing these little things. Another one. Small dude. We going back. Let's get it. And we finally got that big ass fucking bass we've been looking for all day. This one here, a couple pounds or so. Look at that big ass mouth on him. Nice bass. There we go. We've been looking for one this size for a minute. This is what we've been looking for. But I had one bigger than this motherfucker on my line. That bitch had to be at least 10 pounds at first, but we got a nice one, so hey, don't have to do. This bitch, now this might be about 4 pounds. I wouldn't say 5, but at least 4. I'll get it to him. Just got 2 more. We're getting them in. I'll throw this small one back though. Let's do it. Both of them small, but one of them getting kept. All right, we got another one. This is the last one I'm keeping. Last one I'm probably catching. I might throw one more cast, but that's about it. But shit, hey, remember, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Share my videos. Tap in, man. We're getting them in.